Okay, I always end with a mind map, as you know, because I find it to be the most comprehensive way of putting everything together. And I know you're probably like, gosh, she just bangs on about mind maps, but they are really important for your learning and mastery of information. And not only that, it helps you connect things that you've learned and sort of comprehensively look at the purview of a bigger picture. So I do have a template for each mind map that I show you. It's in an ebook on my website if you're interested. And basically it gives you a shell that you can fill in. So here we have nervous tissue, obviously being the topic, and neuroglia that are present both in our central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. And then as you can see, I've added cells. You can draw these cells, which would be even better, or trace them if you can't draw, if you don't feel comfortable drawing. Anyway, ependymal cells are the ones that line the ventricles. They produce CSF. Like, you just need to know the main characteristics here, right? Oligodendrocytes form myelin sheaths for the CNS and increase signal transmission and speed, provide support and stability. Astrocytes, these are going to regulate your blood-brain barrier, maintain homeostasis, and are really going to be important for after injury. Microglia, remember, those are the resident macrophages of the CNS because they play an immunity role. And then if we're looking on the other side, the blue part, which is your peripheral nervous system, you can see that we've got satellite cells and then Schwann cells. And your satellite cells are going to be the ones that are very protective. They sort of have the supportive sort of cocoon aspect. And they do a lot of regulation also in the environment. And then, of course, we've got Schwann cells, which have the myelin sheath, and they actually form the sheath to improve that connectivity, as you remember.